How to draw dynamite TNT sticks. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be learning how to draw dynamite TNT sticks. To begin, we are going to draw a circle in the middle of our page. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now near the top of that circle, we are going to draw a diagonal line that looks like it goes behind the circle. So for this, we are going to draw two lines, one going upwards to the left a little bit, and then one going downwards to the right a little bit. Then we are going to draw a small line going upwards from either side of these at a 90-degree angle. A 90-degree angle looks like the corner of a square. Awesome job! Then we are going to connect the top of these two lines with a straight line. Looks great to Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to do the exact same thing, but on the bottom part of this circle. So we are going to start by drawing the two slightly diagonal lines going outwards from the bottom of the circle, and then we are going to draw two small straight lines going downwards from either end of those, and lastly we will draw a straight line connecting the ends of those two small lines. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are coming along great so far. Now we are going to begin drawing the sticks of dynamite. First, we are going to start at the left side. For this, we are going to draw a straight line for the outer side of our left stick of dynamite. For this, we are going to draw a straight line right here, but we are going to leave the small spaces where those rectangular shapes are that we just finished drawing. Looks perfect. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. Awesome job! Now we are going to begin drawing the bottom part of our right stick of dynamite. For this, we are going to draw a curved L shape that will be right here, connecting to that outside outline that we drew. Looks great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to do the exact same thing for the bottom left stick of dynamite. Nice job! Now we are going to draw a small curved line connecting the two bottom sticks of dynamite to make the middle one. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are coming along great. Now we are going to move up to the top right here and here, making the top left and right sticks of dynamite similar to how we drew the bottom ones. Looks great! Now, just like we did for the bottom, again we are going to draw a small curved line connecting the top of these two together to make the middle stick of dynamite. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings of dynamite TNT sticks are coming along awesome. We're almost finished. Next, we are going to draw a star-like shape to the right side of our dynamite for the fire right here. For this, we are going to draw many small triangle-like shapes, just like this one. We are going to draw these all around in a circular shape, You can draw yours however you would like, or you can draw yours similar to mine. I will move my hand every once in a while after drawing a few different triangular shapes so that you can follow along. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, your flames look awesome. Next, we are going to draw the wick connecting our flame to our dynamite TNT right here. This will be two curved lines that go from the middle stick of dynamite to the top of our flame. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now on the wick, we are going to draw several small diagonal lines going all down it. Nice! Now for the final step, we are going to write TNT right here through the middle of the circle that we drew. This is how to draw dynamite TNT sticks. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and don't forget, stick around until the very end of this video to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. I can't wait to do it again soon. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.